Okay guys, so in the previous video I explained to you what penalties were and why they happened, and now I want to tell you how you can reverse penalties if you are in fact penalized or if you get a site penalized. So the first one, if your website is penalized by Panda, how can you actually reverse it? So as you know, Panda is usually linked to on-page SEO. So first of all, let's just look at your site. Let's see if you're using duplicate content or content you just flat out copy-paste from other sites. Let's look at the quality of your site. So if your site only has 2 or 3 pages, if you don't have any contact pages, if you don't have privacy policy pages, basically if your site actually adds no value to the internet. So if your site looks like that, it's probably why it was penalized. Most often than not, sites that are usually penalized are PBN sites because the content they usually use is poor quality and the sites just don't look real, so they don't have contact pages. Basically, the sites just look like how I showed you they should not look in the PBN videos, they just look fake. So to reverse this, let's just make your site look as real as possible in a way that provides value to the people that actually visit it. And this will most likely not happen on your money site, it will most likely happen on your PBN sites if you do them the wrong way. So if you don't know how to do a PBN site and how to build one, just go back and watch the PBN building videos so you can understand how in fact you can build a proper PBN site. Now, if you get penalized by Penguin, how can you reverse that penalty? So if you remember, Penguin is related with the links that point to your site, whether they're quality links or spammy links, and it also looks at the percentages of anchor text that actually are in those links pointing to your site. So if you're clearly over-optimizing it, you'll be penalized by Penguin. And let me give you an example. Let's say, for example, you actually over-optimize your site and have, and out of 100 links you built, 99 of those links are with the same exact match anchor. Of course, you'd never do this, but let's give you an extreme example. To reverse this, what you'll do is you will reevaluate your link portfolio and select those links that are clearly of poor quality, as well as those links that are over-optimizing your site due to the anchor text being used. Okay, and after you select them all, you go to this tool, which is a paid tool. You go over to linkresearchtools.com/pricing to see the prices. And what this tool allows you to do is you can give them the links you need removed, and they will remove them for you. You can also do this manually. You can also submit them to Google itself, but this tool is more effective. So again, to reverse the Penguin penalty, just take a look at your link profile and take a look at poor quality links and the links that are over optimizing your anchor text. And this is pretty much it. This is how you reverse these penalties. I'm not going to talk about the manual action because the manual action, you just take care of that using Google Search Console and in fact talking to a Google employee. So that one is pretty straightforward. And I'm also not going to talk about the other ones because you won't be penalized by the other ones. These ones are the main ones, so the Penguin and the Panda. And yeah, I hope that made sense. Again, if you have any questions, just make sure you post them in the group and I'll be there to answer them. That being said, I will see you in the next video.